So you know, every church member a pastor loses that he cries. Some of them he has to rejoice and do thanksgiving, because if that person stays there, he will destroy other church members. And listen to me carefully. The person that does not give always complain about how they use the money. It means that their problem is not actually their own money that they are using. Their problem is greed. They don't see why that pastor should have money. They don't see why they should be giving money, because obviously that money is not coming to them. Nobody should have it. It's a manifestation of greed. Bishop David Poe is building a 100,000 seater church, right? Journalists that don't know him in different countries, you are complaining. Is it your money that you gave that they are using to build a church? Because if you give your money that they should use and do different things, he took it to build a building, you can complain. Do you know where the money came from? So people are building bars around you, nightclub, casino. You are not angry. It's their money. Somebody using his own money, his way to build church, and you are angry. Do you even know who gave the money? Do you realize that that is just a repression on the church? That makes sometimes people are not bold enough to teach what is in the Bible. Let me tell you something. Take your time to study giving in the Bible as an individual. If you are studying with an open mind, at the end of the day, you will realize, forget the name, tithing, offering of this, first fruit, this and that. But at the end of the day, you come and realize that the principle of giving is very emphasized in the Bible. They take different names, first fruit, tithe, sacrificial, whatever. They can assume many different sub names, but the concept of giving and receiving, giving and being blessed, giving and pleasing the Lord can never be cancelled from the Bible.